welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now we are going to describe about the applications of machine learning. So what are the various applications in the machine learning where they can be used, especially for what kind of the applications. The first one that we will see is nothing but it is used in the retail business. Okay, so to study the customer behavior and how the customer or the consumer behaves to purchase the products, whether he is particularly interested on any kind of the product and ready to buy or not. Based on that we can estimate the business. So like that it is used in the retail business. And the second one is it is used in the finance sector and banks. So based on the finance sectors and in this finance sector and banks, based on their past data, they can build the models for predicting the future, how it will be, how the business will be. And they also can be used to develop some kind of the credit applications, and fraudulent applications can be detected, and the stock market prediction also can be used. So based on the past data of the finance sector, they can maintain the credit applications, fraud detection, and as well as the stock market prediction. Okay, so the finance sector is the second application. Now coming to the third application. In the third application, in the manufacturing, it is used in the manufacturing. We can use the manufacturing, the learning models that are used for optimization, control, and as well as the troubleshooting. So these are the main applications that they will use in the applications of the machine learning. So apart from that, we can have other kind of the applications also. So normally in the medicine, how this can be going to used. In the medicine we use for medical diagnosis or disease prediction. We will use this applications. We will use this application machine learning. And then coming to the telecommunications, the call patterns are analyzed for network optimization and maximizing the quality of the service. Call patterns will be there. These call patterns can be analyzed to optimize the network. And coming to the science, in the physics especially, the astronomy and analysis and biology, it is used to analyze what are the data, how to predict in the future data, all these things. Okay, so this is also used in physics, astronomy, and as well as the biology. Now coming to the world web is constant is exponentially developing field. It is the world wide web. It is constantly growing, and here we are searching for very large vast information. This large information cannot done manually. This we can take the help of the machine learning. Okay, and next coming to the artificial intelligence, the superset of the machine learning. So here also we can use how the system learn from the machine. Okay, so what are the various kinds of the situations, how it behave, all these things we will see with the help of this machine learning, and find the solutions for many problems in the computer vision, speech recognition, and as well as robotics. And this is also applied in the design of the computer controlled vehicles, some artificial intelligence vehicles. And also use it for playing games, as excellent games can be developed with the help of the artificial intelligence. So what are the various ways that we will see in the retail business, in the finance sector, in the manufacturing field, in the medicine field, telecommunications, science, world wide web, and in the artificial intelligence. In the artificial intelligence case, we see various kinds of the situations. We can make the machines to learn from the experiences, past experiences, and act according to the future whenever such kind of the situation they may face. Okay, and find the solutions to the many problems like computer vision, speech recognition, and as well as the robotics. And it is applied to the design of the controlled vehicles which are developed by using the artificial intelligence. And machine learning methods are also used to develop the programs for playing games, whatever games that were developed with the help of artificial intelligence. This is also one of the application of the machine learning. Like that, not only these many number of the applications, in the real world we can have several number of the applications of the machine learning. Okay, these are the main applications what I told now. So apart from this, we are having vast applications of the machine learning. Nowadays it is exponentially growing field, so that's why it can have multiple number of the applications. Okay, so if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Now we are at the machine learning part. So this, now we today we completed the applications of the machine learning. So thank you one and all.